Intonation. Test 7 is a test of intonation, that is, variations in the pitch of voice in speech. There are two types of intonation, falling and rising, and these inform the rules of thumb to be applied in determining the answers. In this test, there is usually a brief conversation between a woman and a man in each case, and it is in determining their attitude or mood that constitutes the thrust of the test. The operative words are usually A. Certain, sure, uncertain or doubtful, and B. Polite, impolite or rude. Either A or B would feature in a question, never would both appear in the same question. Rules of thumb. 1. Falling intonation indicates certainty, impoliteness or rudeness. 2. Rising intonation, on the other hand, indicates uncertainty, doubt or politeness. 3. In a situation where the same speaker's voice rises and falls or vice versa, the second or latter pitch is used to determine the answer. If somebody says Kofi is good and you doubt this, then you think Kofi is bad. In this case, if the possible answers do not contain he or she is doubtful, but he or she thinks Kofi is bad, remember that the two statements express the same idea. Example 1. That's a dream gift from you.
Really?
According to the conversation, A. The man is certain, but the woman is not. B. Both are doubtful. C. Both are certain. The answer is C. Comments. According to our rule, both the woman and the man are certain or sure about the idea being expressed. We have instances of falling intonation in either case. This idea can be expressed in another way. Both think that it is a dream gift. Example 2.
Quicken your steps. We can't afford to be late again.
All right. According to the conversation, A. Both are polite. B. The man is polite, the woman is not. C. Neither is polite. The answer is B. Comment. The man is polite, the woman is not. Where the same speaker's voice rises and falls or vice versa, the second pitch is used to determine the answer. In the example, the man's voice falls and then rises, and so the latter or second pitch will be the determining factor. Now read through the rest of the questions and answers as provided.